Hello, it's Will from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a Yamaha FJR1300. Absolute Bobby Dazzler, this one. It's a 2010 on a 10 plate, finished off in the metallic black. Really nice, like I say. Lovely. Just so you know, you can just take these two, just slacken these bolts off. And if you've got a little bit of a bigger leg than someone else, it does come out a bit, just to give you a bit more air. You just tighten them back up and it's good to go. This one also has the comfort seats. Let me just turn it on as well. You can see the electronic screen there as well. It's done 18,365 miles. Really nice bike. Give it a quick start up so you can hear it. 3-piece luggage. Don't want to give it too much, it has only just started up and we like to look after our bikes down at Jordanbikes. Anyhow, you've seen this little Bobby Dazzler, so if you're looking to do a few miles over the summer period going into autumn, fabulous, this is the bike for you. All you need to do, bob down at Jordanbikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers!
Hi, I'm Nick, thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.